From the tropical atolls of the Pacific to the glacial fjords of the Arctic, the oceans of our planet are teeming with life. But there's another species that navigates these waters, creatures of immense size and even greater extravagance. Come with me, dear viewer, as we embark on a journey into a world most can only dream of, the realm of the superyacht. Prepare to be astonished as we unveil the top 10 most luxurious yachts in the world, vessels that push the very boundaries of engineering, design, and of course, opulence. Our journey begins with a vessel that cuts a striking, some might say, unorthodox figure on the water. This is MYA, a 400-foot marvel of modern engineering. Her stark, almost predatory lines, reminiscent of a stealth bomber, belie an interior of unparalleled luxury. Owned by a Russian industrialist, the MYA boasts a unique inverted bow design. Imagine a 3-level atrium bathed in sunlight through a massive glass roof, a private owner's deck larger than most city apartments, and a helipad for swift arrivals. Our next stop takes us to the realm of film, music, and entertainment. This is the Rising Sun, once the largest yacht in the world at 454 feet long and the pride and joy of a Hollywood mogul. The Rising Sun boasts 82 rooms spread across 5 decks, a basketball court that doubles as a helicopter pad, a cinema for private screenings, and a wine cellar stocked with vintages that would make a sommelier weep. It's rumored that the owner hosts legendary parties on board, attracting the who's who of Hollywood's elite. We journey now to the land of sultans and sheikhs, where opulence knows no bounds. This is Al Said, the majestic super yacht owned by the Sultanate of Oman. Little is publicly known about her interior, a testament to the fiercely guarded privacy of her owner. At 508 feet long, Al Said can accommodate a small army, or in this case, a royal entourage. She's rumored to have a concert hall so grand that it can house a full orchestra, a helipad that can land a Chinook helicopter, and a crew of 154 to cater to every whim of her esteemed guests. The Al Said is a true floating palace, a testament to the power and prestige of the Omani royal family. Prepare yourselves, dear viewers, for we are about to encounter a vessel of truly staggering proportions. This is Dilbar, named after the owner's mother, and at 512 feet long, she's one of the largest yachts to ever grace the 7 seas. Her sleek, almost predatory profile belies an interior volume greater than most cruise ships. Owned by a Russian oligarch, the Dilbar is a testament to the philosophy that bigger is indeed always better. She boasts 2 helipads, an indoor swimming pool that can be converted into a dance floor, and a crew of 96 to cater to the needs of her 36 guests. Our search for the ultimate in maritime luxury takes us now to the glistening shores of Dubai, a city that embodies extravagance. And what better symbol of Dubai's opulence than the super yacht that bears its name? Owned by the ruling family of Dubai, this 533-foot behemoth is a floating palace in the truest sense of the word. Imagine 7 decks of unparalleled luxury, a mosaic swimming pool that wouldn't look out of place in a Roman villa, and a helipad for swift arrivals. The Dubai is more than just a collection of extravagant features. It's a statement, a symbol of a nation's ambition and its boundless pursuit of grandeur. Our journey takes us now to the serene waters of the Mediterranean, where a yacht bearing that very name glides effortlessly across the waves. This is Serene, a 439-foot sanctuary of peace and tranquility, owned by a Saudi prince. But don't let the name fool you, this yacht is anything but understated. She boasts an underwater viewing room, because who hasn't dreamt of dining with sharks? A fully equipped spa, because even billionaires need a bit of pampering. And for those who find themselves yearning for the ocean depths, Serene even comes with her very own submarine. Yes, you heard that right, a submarine. From the tranquility of Serene, we move on to a yacht that embodies a different kind of peace of mind. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you're incredibly well protected. This is Eclipse, owned by a Russian businessman, a vessel that redefines the very notion of security. At 533 feet long, Eclipse is not just a super yacht, she's a floating fortress. Her most notable feature? A state-of-the-art missile defense system, because you never know when pirates with unusually sophisticated weaponry might attack. Add to that bulletproof windows, a system that detects intruders by their heat signature, and 2 helipads, and you have a vessel that's as secure as it is luxurious. We're approaching the pinnacle of our countdown, and what better way to do so than with a yacht that's synonymous with grandeur on an unprecedented scale. This, my friends, is Azam, the current reigning champion of length in the world of superyachts. At a jaw-dropping 590 feet, Azam is longer than some aircraft carriers. Her sleek, powerful exterior, reminiscent of a falcon in flight, hints at the immense power that lies within. Owned by a Middle Eastern royal, Azam can reach speeds of over 30 knots, making her one of the fastest yachts in the world. As we approach the top spot on our list, we encounter a yacht that embodies understated elegance and timeless luxury. This is Topaz, a 482-foot masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. Her sleek exterior lines, reminiscent of a classic racing yacht, conceal an interior that's the epitome of opulence. From the hand-stitched leather in the lounge to the rare marble in the bathrooms, no expense has been spared in making Topaz the ultimate expression of refined taste. And now, dear viewers, we've arrived at the pinnacle of our journey, the most luxurious yacht in the world. This is History Supreme, a vessel so opulent, so extravagant, that it almost defies description. At a relatively diminutive 100 feet long, History Supreme more than makes up for its size with its sheer audacity. This yacht is literally covered in gold and platinum. We're talking a dining area with bones from a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a liquor bottle adorned with a rare diamond worth over $45 million, and an actual wall made of meteorites. So there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the most luxurious yachts on the planet. These vessels are more than just boats. They are floating kingdoms, symbols of power, prestige, and unimaginable wealth. Imagine waking up to the gentle rocking of the waves, the sun glinting off the endless blue horizon, a dedicated staff catering to your every whim. Which of these floating palaces would you choose if money were no object? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode of our explorations into the world's most luxurious experiences.